Oh my gosh! Ayan na, top 6 na.
She is the first to advance to the finals and she is none other than...
Sino? Oh my gosh, sino sa inyo?
She is none other than...
Sino?
Sultan Kudarat!
Ay! Pasok si Chelsea! Oh my goodness, Chelsea Fernandez. Ang galing mo, ang lakas mo talaga, bongga! Oh, pasok na isa kong manok. Oh my gosh. Chelsea Fernandez.
Next in the finals and still has a chance to be crowned is...
Si Netch!
Sirolan Laguna!
Ah! Si Ilana! Oh my goodness, ang galing talaga nilang apat. Grabe. Ay, apat. Dalawa pa lang sila. Sana makapasok yung dalawa. Ang lakas!
You have made it this far. Muntinlupa!
Ay! Pasok si Winwin Marquez! Ay! Pasok si Winwin Marquez!
There's no turning back now. The King!
Oh my God, pasok si Gagid. Okay, go. Carry lang yan. Sikat din to eh. Asa na si Atisa? Saan na makapasok si Atisa din?
It's your night. Cebu City!
Hala! Isa na lang! Isa na lang!
And completing the top 6 finalists is you!
Oh my gosh!
Yes, unbroken!
Ah! Pasok si Atisa! Pasok yung apat na bet ko! Oh my goodness! Go, go, go! Grabe yung crowd!
Congratulations to our 6 finalists. A job well done, ladies, and you all look so poised and elegant.
Grabe!
Thank you, Mark.